Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. If you have any questions about today's coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV, give me a call. Ask for the coach when you call in. My number's 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2014 Georgetown 377XL. Let's go inside and take a look around. Okay folks, we're inside the Georgetown 377. And I'll tell you what, great bathroom in this coach, lots of room, big rounded shower, nice bedroom here with an upgraded mattress. You've got a fireplace and an L-shaped couch, theater area in the living room with an extra recliner. You've got residential refrigerator, freezer down below, double doors, water in the door, ice in the door, all of that. Great living room area and kitchen, a lot of counter space. Microwave and a oven also. Looks like a microwave convection, I believe. Anyway, we've got a nice dinette in this coach. And if you take a look at this cockpit, very comfortable, lots of room, easy in and out of those seats. This is a super coach. You could full-time in this. You can go down to the desert for weeks and months at a time. This is a great coach to travel in. Plenty of room. You're not going to be cramped in this Georgetown. If you've got questions about this coach, give the coach a call.